Hello, my subscribers, viewers, and followers from all over the world. You are watching HSV English Language Center. Today, I am present with a new topic you can see on your mobile screen, which is we have to insert adjectives in our sentence. I will try my best to explore you with the simplest form of understanding. Here we have eight sentences on our book. Number one, I am a person. Number two, Kamran and Saqib are students. Number three, Bilal and Majid are teachers. Number four, they are potatoes. Number five, he is the singer. Number six, I am in such a mood. Number seven, Mohsin's an undertaker. Number eight, Shuja is a carpenter. Now, the writer has given many adjectives in this book. You can see famous, intelligent, good, rotten, best, good, poor, honest. We have to use these adjectives in our sentence. We have to use. Number one, I am a famous person. I am a famous person. Number two, Kamran and Saqib are intelligent students. Number three, Bilal and Majid are good teachers. Number four, they are rotten potatoes. Number five, E is the best singer. Number six, I am in such a good mood. Number seven, we have on a book this. You can see Mohsin's and poor undertaker. Number eight, Shuja is Shuja. Sorry for that. Shuja is a honest carpenter. Hopefully, you have understood these today's chapter. If you have understood, please write some sentences in the comment section. I will surely I will surely be thankful to you because I will know how much your English level is. Thank you for watching, and please share this video to your friends, to your families, to your pages, and in your social media account. It will be a more beneficial for me, and it will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you for watching.